Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Tejas Kumar D, and I'm currently pursuing MBA. So we already discussed about a research methodology in first YouTube channel. So let us go deeply another concept of research methodology. The research is very important in each and every field. It's a systematic way of collecting the information, identifying the information, gaining the knowledge by the researcher to solve the specific problem, and analyze some results by the research. So in the research, there will be a different topics like a research types, research methods, features, etc. Then other than the topic of research is sampling. Sampling. If we talking about a sampling, the basic concepts will become on our image or a mind. That sampling is a small size. It's a small concept, a small thing. It is a small part of anything. The researcher can be select. There is a lot of population in India to select the problem, identify the problem, what is happening. Example, drugs case. Example, some medicines, some alcoholics. So a census are selecting a small population and collecting the information by the small population and solving the problem is known as sampling. What is meant by sampling? It's a small part. It's a population is nothing but people's subjective observation. Anything of characteristics is known as population. So let us go deeply of meaning. So meaning I've been finished. Then definition. Definition by another person who have been given. Example given by the person. Example given any person who can be given a definition. It is a subset of population is selected for the study and use a database drawn in database to achieve some goal or solve the problem is known as definition. Then there are different types of sampling. There are two types of sampling is probability sampling and non-probability sampling. It's a probability sampling. In this probability sampling there is a different method. What is known about the probability sampling? The probability sampling is nothing but the sampling the information by the population. There is a population, there is a chance it's generalistic. The population can be collected by the research can be select to collect the information and to solve the information. It's not probability. It may be done, can be do. It's probable, maybe. Then non-probability. It's not maybe, it can't be do, it can't be select, it can't be generalistic. There is a population, but there is no generalistic to collect the information. There is no proper way to collect information. It's said by the they make maybe or may not be, may can be, cannot be, we can be collect, we can't be collect, we can be select, we can be select. It's a doubt to select some population for the collecting the information. It's a probability is nothing but it's a systematic way of identifying and collecting the information and solve the particular topic. Then non-probability. So as usual, we said there is no generalistic. It can't be then, and it is some risk to assumption the information. It can't be select. It is a probable. Then the types of probability. There will be a different types of probability sampling. First is random sampling, systematic sampling, then stratified sampling, then cluster sampling, and multiple choice sampling. What is random sampling? In the population, what is the population? There is a small set of study. In this population, selecting a single person randomly by any persons, like small age people, big age people, or different age people, selecting any one of them and gaining the information by them, and that information will be helpful for the solve is known as sampling. It's random sampling. Okay, now then another one is systematic sampling. What is meant by systematic sampling? It's a systematic sampling means a system wise collecting the information. Like example, like 10 years old by to another 10 years old by another 10 years old by systematically collecting information. Like 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, order wisely collecting the information by the population to collecting the information. See, this is a systematic sampling. Then stratified sampling is the whole population is segmented, is divided by demographic, geographical, otherwise, and collecting the information is stratified. Then cluster. Another subset of population is divided and collecting information like district wise, like city wise, like town wise, like village wise, and population collecting the information is stratified. Cluster is nothing but dividing and dividing subset collecting the information. Then multiple choice it also can be known. This is known as a probability sampling. Then non-probability sampling. There is a types of non-probability sampling. What is a voluntary sampling, judgmental sampling, convenience sampling, snowball sampling, and quota sampling. What is voluntary sampling? Individual person is selected, but they should they are selecting the individual person, but the information is collecting. That information may be good or may not be good by voluntary collecting the information. Then judgment sampling. Judgment is sampling, but the population or subset information is collected, are judging the information whether the information is correct or not. Examples, some there are a lot of examples. I pick one examples of that a medicine. The medicine information is collected. Examples are like diabetes. Collecting the information by diabetes person, patient information about medicine, and judging the patient whether is curing, what is the problem of this medicine side effects and what happening, it's working good or not. It's judgmental sampling. Then another sampling is nothing but uh, what is called a snowball sampling, a link wise collecting the information. Examples like a teachers, they have a different subject teachers. We have max teachers, and max teachers have a link between other max teachers, and by them they're collecting the information by different people and giving the information and gathering the information and solving the problem is known as snowball sampling. Then is convenience sampling. Conveniently and specific way of conveniently collecting information and solving the information, it's a convenient persons. Then quota sampling. Then the quota means the person quota is finished by the after the sampling, and then collecting the information whether the information is good or not, analyzing and doing. Then the sampling, this is a sampling, this is a fraction, this is a population, and this is sampling. Then what is conclusion of sampling? It's sampling is very important. It's a small study, a small case which a population or some objective is observed, and collect the information and solve the information. This is my topic, this is what we have learned today. So please view and like my YouTube channel, and do share and gain the information. This is what I'm going to say, and thank you very much.